this video will show you how to add edging. First, click the Landscape tab and then click Edging. Left-click to place points, and this will create the outline of your edging. Right-click to place the last point. To change the material of your edging, click this material image and it will take you to a large selection of different edging materials. Make your selection and then click OK. To edit the material, you can use these options. To control the height, use this slider or manually input the height. Adjust the width here. Check this box to close your edging, and uncheck this box to have the edging switch to the other side of your line. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out ideaspectrum.com for more videos and information about our software.